Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Pixel Watch 2 and charging it fully. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Many follow one router band at a time. Make sure you have your Google account email and password ready because you'll sign in on the watch. If you have the LTE model, insert the eSIM or activate the carrier plan now. Otherwise, skip that step and move straight to account sign in so the watch can download updates and apps. You'll now sign into Google directly on the watch. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete any two-step verification. This unlocks Play Store access. Next, use the Watch Play Store to install essential apps like Maps, Spotify, and Wallet. Make sure each app is allowed to run offline or in background if needed. Then pair Bluetooth audio by going to Connectivity, selecting Bluetooth and pairing headphones. Once paired, you can stream music without a phone. Make sure notifications and location permissions are granted so features work correctly. You finish by checking syncs, open contacts, calendar, and health, and force a manual sync so data appears locally. Then set up Google Wallet and Assistant and try a small contactless payment or ask a question to confirm voice features. Test calls or texts. If you activated LTE, place one call, then confirm audio. If something fails, restart the watch first. If that doesn't help, rejoin Wi-Fi or reset network settings. As a last resort, backup and factory reset, then repeat sign in steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.